Workflow automation in Pipedrive basically allows you to establish triggers throughout the process that automate certain repeatable actions. Here, let's learn about workflow automation in Pipedrive. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. To begin with, click on the three dots on the left side of the dashboard. Here one gets many options. One option here is workflow automation. Let's click on the option and one can see three options here, such as settings, tools and apps. Lastly, workflow automation. Here are a few preset recipes for automating the workflow. For example, if one chooses this, every time a new deal is added, an activity will be created, which can be edited by own. Now, every time a deal is added, one can create an activity. Every time a deal is moved to a new stage, an activity is created. And every time a deal is created, an email is sent, and every time a deal is made and your project is created. So these are the few preset templates. In this there is an option to customize and make your own workflow automation, in which we can name it as any workflow automation and also can choose a trigger. Let's add a trigger D. Now apply this trigger with a condition. Added to which portal is not elite portal. Now let's choose the action, and trigger an action and click on deal. Next click on activity, and choose from the options below like time, duration and assigned to and so on. After choosing the desired activity options, go back to previous fields and select leads. Add a new title here, as new deal and apply action and save it. Your new workflow has been saved. One can go through the workflow automation and can see the new workflow and activate it. One can customize it or choose from the templates given and automate their workflow. Contact Software Horsepower to book a demo. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.